Good morning, students. So, yesterday we have discussed about some important agencies of UNO and we have discussed two cartoons also. Here are some more cartoons from this lesson. Let us discuss. This cartoon depicts during June 2006, Israel attacked Lebanon, saying that it was necessary to control the militant group called Hezbollah. Large number of civilians were killed in this attack and many public buildings and even residential areas came under Israel bombardment. The UNO passed a resolution on this only in August and the Israel army withdrew from the region only in October. Both these cartoons comment on the role of UNO and its Secretary General in this episode. Now the question arises, why did Israel attack Lebanon? To control the militant group named Hezbollah. Mention human and property loss. Large number of civilians. They died due to bombardment and public buildings and residential areas of Lebanon were destroyed. When did United Nations pass the proposal against it? In August 2006 and army was withdrawn in October 2006. Means totally there was no role of United Nations. The United Nations came after the destruction. The motive of this cartoon is this, that UNO has not played a good role in this crisis. Comment on the UN and its General Secretary regarding Israel-Lebanon war. Both the above printed cartoons reveal here the role of UNO and its Secretary General in Israel-Lebanon conflict. And many politicians they say that UNO and its Secretary General should have passed the same resolution much earlier. As I have told you, it was too late. The destruction has been done. If it has been done earlier, then the loss of life and loss of property could be less. This is the humanitarian crisis in Darfur in Sudan since 2003. How do you think that UNO can intervene in the situation like this? Where there are various agencies of UNO which can help Sudan to overcome such type of situation. These are World Health Organization, World Food Program. So all these are under the control of General Assembly of UNO. So they can help, but nothing is being done there by UNO. Would that require a change in its jurisdiction? Yes. The jurisdiction of UNO should be changed because this situation falls under the jurisdiction of General Assembly. And as I have told you that whatever decisions are taken by General Assembly, these are not binding to the members of United Nations, means whether they follow it or not. So there should be change and the decision of General Assembly should be made binding on its assembly, means each and everyone should follow the decisions. Only then General Assembly will become powerful to intervene in such type of situations. So that's all for today, students, and that's all for this lesson also. And tomorrow we will meet again with the next lesson. Till then, goodbye.